एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री चैन। सो हमने जो लास्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस किया था दैट इज जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन एंड उसकी जो रेटला एक्सप्रेशन था, इंटीग्रेटेड रेटला, वो हमने डिराइव किया था। सो उसी से रिलेटेड आज हम यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन जो है सोल्व करने वाले हैं और इस तरीके के न्यूमेरिकल्स एग्जाम्स में भी आते हैं। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाफ लाइफ पीरियड ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस इज 60 minutes at a certain initial concentration. When concentration is reduced to half life becomes 30 minutes. Find order of reaction. So हमको यहाँ पे order find out करना है reaction का. So in this reaction this is given. What is given? Half life period of a substance is 60 minutes. So T half life is 60 minutes and their initial concentration we consider here concentration will be A naught. We are considering here initial concentration is A naught. After here when the concentration is reduced to half, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, हमारी जो concentration है कुछ टाइम के बाद क्या हो गई है, हाफ हो गई है. दिस इज इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन जो कि हमने स्टार्टिंग की मानी है इनिशियली. देन कुछ देर के बाद ये हो गई है हमारे पास हाफ. कितने टाइम में हुई है? half life becomes 30 minutes. Now our half life is 30 minutes. So from this is also half. This is also half from the initial, and from this T half life is directly proportional to A naught. T half life is directly proportional to A naught, and in this also T half life is directly proportional to A naught. And we know that T half life, when it is directly proportional, we already find out the expression for T half life. T half life is directly proportional, or we can say that this is equals to A naught by 2K. This is the expression for half life. So in this is directly proportional to concentration, initial concentration, and from this question we get this T half life is directly proportional to the initial concentration. Means that this is the expression for zero order reaction. So means that this is zero order reaction. So therefore zero order reaction. Clear? Now we move on to the another question, that is rate constant of a reaction is 10 to the power minus 2 moles per minute. So here the value of K is given. K is rate constant, that is 10 to the power minus 2, and that is M is molarity, and we are taking here concentration in terms of moles per liter, and also minute is given per minute. So this is zero order reaction unit. What will be the concentration of a product in the reaction? A is converted into product after 20 minutes if initial concentration is A is 50 molar. So their reaction is given, A is converted into B and their initial concentration is given 50 molar, means that this is the value of A naught, initial concentration. This is time 0 because initially the reaction is not started, that's why after time here time is given 20 minutes. After 20 minutes from this product will be formed. So some concentration will be reduced or decomposed and product here formed, that is X. Clear? So from this data we have to put all these value in our first zero order reaction, because here already given that this is the unit. From this we can get this is zero order reaction. So what is the equation for zero order reaction? That is AT is equals to A naught minus KT. This is our final equation. Okay, so in this equation we have to put all of these value. So AT is 50 minus X. This is A naught, this is 50 50 minus the value of K is given 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter per minute, and here time is not given. So this is 50 minus x. There T is also given. T is 20 minutes. So 20 here, 50 minus x, 50 minus 10 to the power minus 2 into 20. So this is given. So left hand side and right hand side 50-50. So this will be cancelled out. So minus x, this is equals to 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is minus sign here also. So minus sign will cut from here. So x is equals to 20. We can write like this. This is divided by 100. So this will be cut. X is 0.2, means that our concentration is 0.2 molar. So this is the x, the value of x. According to the condition, the value are given. We have to put in this equation. This is the first order integrated rate law equation. Clear? Now the next question is, reactant with initial concentration is B mole per liter follows zero order kinetics. So in question there is given this follows zero order reaction, and rate constant is K mole per liter per second. In how much time will the reaction go to completion? So हमको यहाँ पे रिएक्शन कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट हो जाएगी वो वैल्यू हमको यहाँ पे बतानी है. तो सबसे पहले हमको यहाँ पे दी गई है इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन. हम यहाँ पे कंसीडर कर लेते हैं ए जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है पी के अंदर, प्रोडक्ट के अंदर. तो इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ पे दी गई है हमारे पास बी हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन. क्लियर? एट टाइम 0, एट टाइम टी हमारे पास ये कंसंट्रेशन जो होगी रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. सो इसको हम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं बी माइनस एक्स, दैट इज ए टी. ओके, नाउ this is given, this is at time t, but if we are talking about the completion time, at completion time means that जो हमारे पास सारा का सारा रिएक्टेंट होगा वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, प्रोडक्ट में. मींस यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी कंसंट्रेशन नहीं बचेगी. इसलिए यहाँ पे हमारे पास एट टाइम टी मींस ये टी टाइम कौन सा है, कंप्लीशन वाला. सो इसके अंदर जो हमारे पास वैल्यू आएगी किसकी, फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन, वो कितनी हो जाएगी, 0. क्लियर? सो देयर ऑल्सो रेट कांस्टेंट इज गिवन. रेट कांस्टेंट दैट इज गिवन, दैट इज K moles per liter per second. So we are having these values, we have to put in this equation. Let's start putting these values in this equation. So the value of AT is 0. This is the value of A0 is B. The value of K is rate constant. In this question also rate constant K is given. So this is K, this is T. So we have to find out the completion time. So we have to find out the value of T. So we can rearrange this equation. B is equals to KT. So we have to find out here T because completion time. So T will be equals to B by K. So this is the value of completion time. If in this question the value of B and K is given, so we can put easily and find out the completion time. According to the condition and the values given, we have to put only in this equation. Firstly, we have to see that the question is given that is based on zero order reaction or first order reaction. By seeing their units or whether there is given this is zero order kinetics or zero order reaction. Clear? Now we are moving to the last question, that is the rate constant of a reaction is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per second. So there K is given 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per second, means that this is zero order reaction. Clear? In this, initial concentration is given. Initial concentration means that A naught is 60 molar. Final concentration is 20 molar. Means that final concentration AT is given 20 molar. We have to find out how much the reaction complete. The completion time we have to find out. We have to simply put this value in this equation. So here the value of AT is 20 molar. This is equals to A naught 60 molar minus the value of K is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 and T we have to find out. Clear? So 20 minus 60, this is minus 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 into T. So this is minus 40 minus 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 into T. So minus minus cut from here. So this is 40 divided by 2.4 into 10 to power minus 4. This is T. We have to simply solve this. So 40 divided by 24, we can write like this. There is 10. There is 10 to the power minus 4. This is T. So there is 1, 2. There is 2, 0. So almost 1.7 into 10 here. And we can write like this, 10 to the power 4. So this is T. So 1.7 into 10 to the power 5. This is the time. Okay. So you have to learn basically two equations for the zero order reaction. First is this equation, AT is equals to A naught minus KT, and second is for half life, that is T half is equals to A naught by 2K. From these two equations we can easily solve all the question related to the zero order reaction. Hope ये आपको टॉपिक समझ आया होगा. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.